welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing this USB adapter for pretty much CarPlay. As you guys know, 2022 BRZ comes with Apple CarPlay, but it does have to be wired, so you always have to connect your phone. I personally like connecting my phone to the wire just because my phone's always dying. But as you guys know, I developed a phone cubby where you could insert your phone either just for storage and just have it in there, or if you wanted wireless charging, I did make an option where you could put a MagSafe charger and have the wireless charger option. As you can see right there's a MagSafe. I thought it would be a good idea to look for some of the best USB adapters for wireless car Apple Play. So this is the first one I ordered. I looked up the reviews. I'll put a link below, and this was pretty cool. I liked it. I liked how it looked. I liked how this one looked because it looked very compact and portable and small. So I already opened it. It comes with 3 things. So it comes with 2 different USB ones. I think this is like a USB-C adapter, and then this is USB to USB. Forgive me for recording super late at night. It's just I work all day and I gotta make these videos for you guys. Unfortunately, YouTube isn't paying my bills just yet, so I gotta make these videos after work, and then I have to edit them usually around like midnight to 2 or 3 in the morning. But yeah, I like this one. It looked portable. You know, it looks like kind of like carbon fiber, so I kind of like that. And I thought it was a good design, like nothing big, just, you know, just a good size. That's what I'll say. My thinking was I was just going to be connecting it like that, which you could. I mean, that's one way of doing it. Here, let me just take this off. That's one way of doing it. Excuse the car for being a little bit dirty. It's just been raining the past 2 weeks. That's one way of doing it, but unfortunately, you can't really close it. So it's good to use this right here. So let me connect it to it. Use plug it in on one side, and then the other side, use plug it in there. And then connect it to right there. And what's cool is just enough space right in here where you could push it in and then push it down, and you get enough cord where it's pretty much out of sight, out of mind. You won't really notice it, and it looks all flush like that. And then you could close it if you wanted to close it. I normally run with this open all the time, just because I noticed that most of the time my arm's like right here in this spot when I'm shifting. Originally I wanted to get the automatic center console right here because it has a cup holder. For the most part I put my arm right here, and that's where I'm shifting. So I always have this part open, and I never really have it closed. So yeah, but this is how it's gonna look like if you ran it. And all you're gonna have to do is turn on to accessory mode. And let me show you guys the issue I was having. So I was trying to set it up. You turn on the Bluetooth, and then you turn on your Wi-Fi. And then right here it just says enable Apple CarPlay. To enhance its services, iPhone may utilize vehicle and user information. For more details, please see Apple privacy policy, whatever. So you just put yes. Then right here it says use iPhone Bluetooth connect to CarPlay box. Right there, CarPlay box. So you just connect to it, and let's see if it connects. Okay, so Bluetooth pairing request. So pair. So allow contacts favorites to sync. So put allow. And then connection unsuccessful. Make sure CarPlay box is turned on. Use CarPlay box with connection unsuccessful. Make sure it's turned on and on in range. So I kept having this issue. I don't know why, but it says connected and then it goes to unconnected. Oh, it did it right now. Did you guys hear that? It just did it, but for some reason, sometimes it wants to do it, sometimes it doesn't want to do it. And then it just goes back to that screen, and then it just says connected. So every time I try to connect it, it says connected right there, and then it goes to that screen, and then it goes to unconnected, and then just like that it takes it out. So as much as I wanted this product to work, unfortunately this brand AutoSky, it just does not work for this platform. It might work for other vehicles, but for this platform it doesn't work. And at the price of $60, I really wish it worked. So I'm gonna be returning it, and I am gonna be looking for a different model, maybe a different company. But I am really bummed that this didn't work because I really like this design with the carbon fiber look and just being very like compact. So if you guys are looking for those, you know, Apple CarPlay adapters for wireless usage, don't go with this brand, guys. Just save your money, save your time ordering it from Amazon or a different company, because it's not going to work for the 2022 BRZ and up. I doubt it would work for the GR86 as well. I think this is more for like older vehicles. I just wanted to make a video for you guys just to show you guys that sometimes when you order products, they're not the right fit, and sometimes they don't work at all. And this is a product that I'll say just stay away and save your time. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna call it a night tonight. That's pretty much it. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. And as you guys know, I like to do giveaways